Hello and welcome back to a Pixify tutorial. Today we'll be creating Instagram highlight covers in Canva using our free Heart digital paper set. I will link below in the description where you can download this digital paper set if you'd like to follow along. While you're there, don't forget to check out all our other freebies. To make this easier, we'll use a pre-made canvas size in Canva. To find the one we're going to use, search for Instagram stories and then select a blank canvas. Now, before we get started, let's upload our free digital paper by clicking the Upload Media button. This free set comes in fun, bright neon colours. To get started, we'll go to Elements and search for frames. We'll select the circle frame first. Now we'll just replicate this canvas 6 times by clicking the duplicate button. To fill the frames, simply drag the digital paper over the circles. Now let's create a fun design by scrolling through the other frames and selecting different shapes to overlay on top of the circles. As you can see, Canva has a large selection of free frames available. Once you've selected all the second frames you'd like to use, simply drag the digital paper over these frames. Now to get them onto Instagram, simply download the files and share them to your mobile phone. To change any of your highlight images, select the highlight, then click on Edit Highlight. You'll then need to click on Edit Cover, then simply click the image icon to change it to the new image you've just created. As you can see, the circles fit perfectly. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as mentioned, I will link below in the description where you can download this free digital paper set and also these highlights. Thank you so much for watching, and we cannot wait to see you in our next Pixify tutorial.